Hi, Julian here from the SERP.NET team. In this video, I'm going to do a quick demo of SERP Agency. First, what's SERP Agency? SERP Agency is a membership add-on specifically designed, as the name suggests, for agencies. If you do SEO for clients, or plan to do so, then this is for you. SERP Agency comes with three main benefits. First, it allows you to create fully customizable white label dashboards for your clients. So they have 24/7 access to their data, including their metrics, statistics, backlinks, rankings. The idea here is to help you save time by reducing the number of back and forth emails, phone calls, and meetings with your clients, and provide them with a higher level of service. Client dashboards are a great way of strengthening your client relationships by being transparent and letting clients track their performance at any time. SERP Agency also helps you find more SEO leads and clients, as well as monitor social activity and track social performance. For now, let's focus on client dashboards. Here, I already opened the agency dashboard section. As you can see here, I already have added a few sites. To add a client site to this interface, simply click on the blue plus icon here and follow the process. Here, it's important to understand that agency is connected to Site Manager, which is a core tool. Before you can add a client site to this interface and create a dashboard for your clients, you must first add the site to Site Manager, if not already done. So first, add the site to Site Manager to track metrics, backlinks, and so on. And then you can add it to this interface to create a dashboard for your clients. Once this is done, you will be able to access the dashboard builder. For this example, we'll use our blog, serp.com, but obviously the idea here is that you do this for your client sites. As you can see, I already created a dashboard for this site. So the idea is to first create the dashboard by adding widgets and then create login details for your clients. To add a widget, simply click on the blue plus button here. You can add all sorts of widgets: metrics and backlinks, data from Backlinks Manager, uptime monitor, a site audit, data from SERP Analytics and Google Analytics, local tracker and rank tracker data, keyword positions, and so on. Select the type of widget you want to add, metrics and backlinks for example. Click on Add Widget. Here you can leave the default title or change it. And here you can choose which type of data you want to display in the widget. For example, here you could show backlinks, referring domains, referring IPs, referring subnets, the SERP rank, citation flow or trust flow from Majestic, the Moz rank, the domain authority, page authority from Moz. Once you've selected what you want to show, click on Save Settings. The widget has been added to the bottom of the page. Here it is. You can drag and drop it, obviously. So widgets are displayed in the order you want. Please note that widgets are clickable. If I click on a widget here, I will access more data. I will show you this in a minute directly from the client interface. So here, as you can see, you decide what your client will see in the dashboard. To create login details for your clients, click on the Users tab here. You can create two types of user accounts. Accounts for client users, of course, and accounts for team users, for your colleagues, for example. So they can access client dashboards too. To create a new account, simply click on the blue plus button here and fill out the form. Here, as you can see, you can email the login details to the user if you want to, or you can leave this box unticked and share the login details some other way. Then you must select the site or sites this user will have access to and which permissions he or she will have. For example, you could create a dashboard showing A, B, and C, but give this specific client user access to A and B only. So it's very flexible and customizable. Once you have created the account, you can simulate a connection to the client dashboard by clicking on the login button here. Before we do this, let me quickly show you the agency settings. To white label the client dashboard, simply click on the cog icon here. First, you must select a company profile. Remember, you can create company profiles from this section here. Chances are you only need one company profile for your agency, but you can create several ones if needed. So let me select a company profile. As you can see, I've already uploaded logos for the interface and reports. And if I click on the login tab here, I can change the title of the login page, as well as white label the login URL and remove any SERPed branding. So the first option here, subdomain. So for example, the login page could be youragencyname.serpedagency.com. Here it's not white labeled because it shows a SERPed branding. That's an option you have. And the second option here, custom domain. So for example, the login page could be clients.yourdomain.com. And here it's white labeled because there is no mention of SERPed. When setting up a custom domain, make sure you closely follow the instructions here. So here I chose to use clients.advertisingagencysydney.net. This is just for testing purposes. And once this is set up, you can click on the login button here to simulate a connection to the client dashboard from the client's perspective and access the client dashboard you created. So your clients can see all the widgets you set up, of course. And if they click on a widget, they can access more information. For example, let's click on the metrics and backlinks widget. As you can see, I have access to more information here, whether or not the IP is blacklisted, if there is an XML sitemap or not, more metrics here from Moz and Majestic. Obviously, same principle for site audit, rank tracker, and all the widgets displayed here. We also have a Google My Business widget. So your clients can see the total number of searches, total number of views, total number of actions for the period of time of their choice, as well as graphs, pie charts, line graphs, and so on. They can also see the latest reviews here. And that's how you can give your clients access to their own dashboard, so they have 24/7 access to their data and can track their progress whenever they want. As mentioned at the beginning of this video, SERPed Agency also comes with a powerful lead generation tool called Advanced Prospector, which allows you to find sites that are not secure, that are too slow, that don't use the AMP format, and so on, so you can contact their owner and offer them your services. There is also a tool to track social activity and monitor social performance called Social Monitor. At the time this video is filmed, Social Monitor is still in development, but stay tuned and we'll show it to you in another video. Alright, I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions or suggestions, don't hesitate to contact our friendly support team at getsupport@serp.net.